Alright, so this is actually me filling up cups. Well, not me. Obviously, it was kind of her. I put in the ice dome, but that's not the point. The point is that we were actually for the cups, and now we were trying to figure out how many ounces the cups were. This person that just here, Chavalin, she thought that it was 32, but she got it wrong. It was not 32. These are literally 21 ounces. But anyways, that's not the point. We had different sizes of cups, and obviously, well, she read them wrong. Obviously, come on now, big head. Anyways, so yeah, pretty much these are just the cups. This is me just getting all the 3 cups together, making sure that each cup has the amount that it's supposed to have, one being below the satisfaction, one being the exact satisfaction, and one being over the satisfaction. So these are just 3 cups, perfect example for this question. And let's move on to the next few clips and pictures. So this cup is the overflow, the one that is over the satisfaction. Right now I'm about to show a video of how it looks like when the lid is put on. And let me tell you, it's not very pretty. Alright, so that is Tabeline putting the lid on top of the cup that is overflowed. Usually when we get it like that, when the cup is overflowed in the machine, we throw some out so it can be able to close the lid properly, and we clean the cups. Because obviously we don't want to give out the cups all wet to our customers, because we get complaints and it slows down and they want to talk to the managers all the time. So this saves time, and we obviously have a chance to be in first place. So this really helps us out. So this is an overflow, and this is something that we're trying to avoid here. Alright, now this is how a cup should be looking like when you get your cup from the drive-thru. You know, through the counter or lobby, you get to fill your own cup. But from the drive-thru, it's supposed to look like, especially maybe with a little more ice or a little more Coke inside. But other than that, this is how it's supposed to look like. This is complete satisfaction, and our customers will not complain about it. And of course, the lid. Now, this is the low satisfaction. Obviously, we would never give out a cup like that, because it makes no sense to give out a cup like that. You know, we would just look dumb. Oh, but usually this is actually how the Powerade comes out sometimes. And we have to put in more Powerade, or sometimes we would just add more ice to it. But this is a cup that we're not allowed to give out, obviously. And usually anytime I'm doing something at work, I would ask myself, would my mom complain about this? And if I think to myself that she would, I don't give it out. And I do it, or I do anything that I could so that it does not look like that. And then here we go with the lid, and that's it. Thank you for watching this.
The book also asks me to choose a numerical setting of what I recommend. So I did my graph. Down here I put 21 ounces, which is the highest that it can go, because that's literally the ounces of a cup, the medium cup that was shown on the video. If it goes over it, obviously it's going to overflow. And when you put the lid on it, it's gonna make a mess. We lose product and we lose time, which is something that the company tries to avoid, because obviously it's a fast food restaurant. So below it, I put other types of amounts that I filled out wrong, so I'm gonna do it again. We're down to the final 2, which is either 20.7 or 19. Now there's positives and negatives to both, so I'm gonna start first with the 20.7. With the 20.7, which is really right here, there is a negative side. So the negative side is that we can lose more product. It could be a test overflow, but the positive side to this is that it's higher. The customers won't complain, which is something that we want. Now, if we do have complaints, it could slow down the process. You know, they're gonna want to talk to the managers. They're gonna want to try, you know, in a way to correct us, which is something that we're trying to avoid, because obviously it's a fast food restaurant and we're trying to run with the line. Now, if we go with the 19, we do gain more product, which is positive, but the negative side is we could get complaints because it is lower than, you know, the cup, you know, like of what the cup is. So it could be like about maybe around right there. Now, if we do 20.7, oh crap, that is not a cup. I hate this. I'm trying to do anything exact same. It could be about maybe like right there, which is something that we want. Comparing this to this, obviously that's different sizes, but look at the line. It's what I'm comparing right now, the line. So I am risking myself, and I'm trying to do the setting. I'm being setting with 20.7. I am risking it right here, but I feel like it's the best option. This might be unbelievable, but I just filled my drink that I just finished pouring because I needed a new one because I'm sick. And everywhere. It's filled everywhere. Sitting right now, like everything from my waist down is just wet.